In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into ChatGPT in Windows. For now, ChatGPT does not have a separate application which you can install, neither on the mobile device nor on your desktops. So for that, we just can open up your web browsers and open up the website of ChatGPT. On your web browser, search for chat.openai.com. Once you search for it, you'll land on this screen where you can see two buttons. Either you can log in or sign up for ChatGPT if you haven't already. We'll just click on the login button. In the next screen, you can choose a method to log in. If you used your email address while creating an account, just type in your email address, or if you used your Google account or your Microsoft account while creating an account of ChatGPT, you can choose these options and you will be immediately logged in. But for the people who use email address, just type it in and then click on continue. Next, type in your password. Make sure your password is correct by clicking on this eye icon. But if you don't remember the password to your account, you can click on forgot password and retrieve and recover your password. Once you've filled in all this information, you can just click on continue. And you will be logged into your ChatGPT account. Now you can start chatting with the chatbot. Leave this video a like if you guys found this video helpful. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.